So I'm a bit tired and emotional.
Well, his wife has just had another baby about 2 or 3 weeks ago.
Hang on. 1 month ago today.
So he's probably knackered as well.
Come on.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Anyway, when I first heard I was coming to Merthyr, I was brushing my teeth this morning. Thanks, Mal. But we do like these teach meets, honestly. And so I prepared this on the way down in the car, and it's taken me, ages. And when we stopped at, where did we stop?
Llandrindod.
Llandrindod, that was it. With a lovely cup of tea, didn't we, Mal?
No.
Nice lunch. No, we didn't. It was all a bit of a rush. So anyway, I work in a primary school, Year 6 teacher in North Wales. Boys attainment, big focus on that at the minute, especially in our area. So we went back to looking at how can we engage these boys a bit better. So we looked at how they could research topics to improve their writing, their history, the history skills in particular we were looking at this time. So we were giving them clues so they could go out and find things about specific things, okay? The Belgians. So can you name, audience participation, can you name 5 famous Belgians? Go on. Very good. Shout it out.
Poirot.
Poirot. Poirot wasn't real. John thought about that. Very good. Van Damme, very good. Okay. Some footballer, somebody will come up with at some point. Somebody will come up with a tennis player. Somebody to do with chocolate. A novelist, perhaps, that you might have heard of but forgotten because you learnt it such a long time ago. And then that bloke from Tintin. Okay. So, can you name 5 famous Welsh people? Can you name 5? Go on.
Tom Jones.
Tom Jones. Is that Catherine Zeta-Jones?
Catherine.
Come on.
Catherine Jenkins.
You can name more Belgians. Right, okay, the answer is yes, you can. Okay, I didn't ask names, I didn't tell you to name any. Okay, but what do you know about them? So, research, and we looked at research with the kids and we said, can you name 5 famous Welsh people? You give them this big chunk of information, or you set them at home if they come back with loads of printed sheets from the internet, and it's all rubbish. So they can't take the important facts out of this. What we were trying to get them to do was to take important facts and then maybe write something like a fact file which they could later use. Okay. So this is the famous Welsh quiz, and if it's still working, you'll find this on NGFL Cymru. We need that music now. David does, don't we? The M&S music. Okay. So I opened it before, and if it's working, you'll find it in History, Key Stage 2. And we've got lots of fact files that you can right-click and download, and then they're just information that kids can use later on. So when you open the quiz, you've got these lovely tools up here, so you can time the children with maybe a stopwatch. You can highlight things later on, and print out what they've done. You can make it full screen. Okay, it's very exciting. And you've got your choice of eras that you can go into. And then if we go into one, I hope you'll know the answers to. So can you guess from this drop-down list that you can't see very well today because the screen resolution is a bit funny. We've got Tom Jones, Duffy, Gareth Edwards, Shane Williams, Ryan Giggs, Craig Bellamy, Colin Jackson, Tanny Gray Thompson, Roald Dahl, Cuffin Williams. Who do you think was born in 1940? Anyway, let's have a go. Tanny Gray Thompson. We'll guess no, it's not right. So let's have another clue. This person appeared in Mars Attacks. You see we're losing points now. Yeah? You start with 100, you get it right first time, 100 points. What do points make? Yes. No, a bit of writing in the next activity. Okay? So he appeared in Mars.
Tom Jones.
Tom Jones, let's have a look and see if we get it right. Okay? So come on, Tom, where are you? Tom Jones, we guess. It's correct. Look, as if by magic. And he goes into 1940. So then you start to talk to kids about timelines as well, aren't you? Yeah, you're stopping their fun now. So, and then we're saying, right, we're going to talk about timelines for 20 minutes, children. Okay, so this person, 1973, Campton, Cardiff, Tanny Gray Thompson. Let's have a look. Let's find her. Where is she? Come on, Tanny. You're very confident then. You were wrong. What did you say over there? We'll have another clue first, shall we? Yeah? Play the game. Come on. And you're on your thinking partners now. You're all discussing this before the next answer. Colin Jackson, let's have a look, shall we, children? No!
Ryan Giggs.
Don't spoil it. You know. Okay? Middle name Joseph, and of course it is, because we all know his middle name's Joseph. Give him a big cheer. Ryan Giggs, where are you?
You can pass it.
Have I passed it? I can't see. Any respects? I left him on the bathroom after I brushed my teeth. Okay, and then as if by magic, he pops into there. And you go on, you get 10 clues, you can go back. And it really engaged the children into having a go and finding out little snippets of information apart and not going down this route of just printing off absolutely everything. So then what we did, back to the PowerPoint, which we're going to have to click through again. So today we're going to talk about research, clues in Belgium. Right, come on, anyone? No. So, okay, we had a look at it all. Come on, because it's on a PowerPoint viewer, because they haven't got a new version of PowerPoint here. No, it's too far.
Do you like Chris is slating it?
I've lost it completely. There it is. There you go. You can see all this now. Gareth, there we go. Yeah, so there we're talking about timelines with them again. Then they get these fact files, to get them to highlight what's important in the fact file, take it out for them to make their own fact files on the person they choose. Okay? So, we talked about most of this anyway. We used iPod Touches and MacBooks because we're really posh in North Wales. And we let them use some old-fashioned PCs. We also, if they wanted to, they could even go and look at a book. A bit of a novel idea, but they kind of ran with it and they said, what are these things? And off they went. Okay? But you don't have to stick to modern technologies to get those outcomes, do you? Okay? And they were really, these are the two websites that you can find lots of Welsh people on. 100 famous Welsh people, something like that. And then you can also find 100 famous Belgians. And this one here, this is the current top 10. So those of you who wondered who they were, there he is. tmmerthyr. Finished. Thank you.